Good afternoon to the criminal community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Joel Olorunlowayinde, one of the many voices of TBC around the world. Guys, I'm excited. I'm happy. Why? Because when seeing things like this, it gladdens our heart. If you can look on my screen, you will see TBC and the KLUV coin. Guys, indeed, TBC is the main thing. Yeah, it is the main thing. So, guys, for as many who are members of the core team, I repeat, for as many who are members of the core team, this is a wonderful opportunity. And to the general public, to the general TBC members, you are by January 12th, 2023, you are going to get the equal number of TBC coins that you have in your wallet. Wow, this is wonderful. So you can imagine if the value of 1K love is $100 and you're having like 10,000 TBC in your account. Wow, that is great. So guys, don't forget, today is the last day to earn free coins within the community. That is why it seems as if I'm addressing the core team members. So if you want to always earn the TBC coins, and at the same time increase the number of your kill of coins to be collected January next year, be among the core team member. Many old members fell off. There is still opportunity to join the core team now. Simply make a decision, a commitment to always pay your program fee regularly in cryptos. Simple. And continue to register, to bring in more people into the community. So guys, come on board. This is a great opportunity that you must not miss. Come on board. Come and acquire more TBC coins. At the same time, you are automatically acquiring the KLUV coins. This is wonderful. So don't forget, under the billionaire monthly subscription fee, get on board and let us build our community and let us change this world for a better place. So guys, don't relent. Do all within your best to acquire as many TBC coins now and be part of the cutting to collect more KLUV coins come January 12th, 2023. So guys, don't relax. Come on board. Thank you very much. For as many who are yet to subscribe to this channel and listening for me for the first time, click on that bell by your right hand side to always get a notification whenever I post and I upload any video. Thank you guys. Bless you for now. Oh, don't forget, I want you to like, give me a thumb up, and share this broadcast. Thank you. Cheers. TBC is my birthright.